We work really hard to please everyone by providing amazing quality and incredible prices. We just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did. Now we're happy to share it with you. Our staff is really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's what sets us apart, and it's our guarantee. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have. So don't hesitate, contact us anytime.